Do you need that?
That I need. You need a cup.
I need a cup.
That thingy. That's a funny thingy. And there's a green cup for Daddy.
What are you going to put in the green cup?
That's Daddy.
What's he going to drink today? Tea or coffee or lemonade or
No.
fizzy water? What's he going to have?
No.
Juice?
No.
What's he going to have then? Oh wow, what have we got here? What is it? Tell me what it is. What is it, Isabel?
No. Put it on there.
You're putting the lid on the saucepan?
Yes, so I see that.
You're very busy. What's this? Is this my toast?
Another cup for you.
Is that Isabel's toast? You're going to eat your toast. You're going to put some honey on your toast. Isabel, what's this here? Is this shopping or dinners or what's in here?
Yes.
What is it? Tell me what it is.
I need my glove.
Here, it's on the table.
Yes.
The oven glove. It's on the table. Is that your head, Leo?
Yes.
Oh dear, give it a rub. Is it okay?
No.
Oh dear.
Table.
It was the table. Do you need a? Do you need a kiss? Magic kiss to make it better? Are you okay?
Okay.
What a brave boy.
What I need a coffee. So do another touch. Drink something. You have to wait till it gets warmer.
I have to wait till it gets warmer? That sounds like a good idea. Mummy likes things very, very warm, doesn't it? Very hot.
And the fork for Rizal.
That's a fork for Isabel. Nice.
And salt.
And salt
do
too.
you want salt?
Oh yes, put some salt on it and some pepper. Mummy likes pepper.
Where did that come from?
And you like dip, don't you? Like ketchup.
Where did that come from? I like
that's the teapot lid, isn't it? It's from the lid from the teapot.
For me.
You have to find the teapot.
I still need that cup for me. For me. Hello.
Who is it? Is it Nanny?
I got. What is that? Is it a phone? Is it a bowl? It's a phone. It's a phone.
Do you know what it is? That's not a phone actually, Isabel. That's, you know when Mummy goes to the shop and she pays for her shopping, she puts her card in it. She puts the card inside and then she presses some buttons.
In there?
Yeah.
And you press that.
Should we get a pretend card and you can put a pretend card in there?
Right.
Is that a good idea?
Right there. Do Mother. Look.
Mummy puts in the numbers and then the lady gives her the card back and Mummy's paid for the shopping with a special card.